Hey, Rolf Snobeck here, and thanks for joining me again this week. So I'm at Benchmark Roof Consulting in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and they recently re-roofed their headquarters and have turned it into a showroom so the customers can see what different kinds of roof systems look like. So I'm going to walk through this real quick. This first area is a Carlisle RapidLock adhered roof assembly. Stepping across here to standard 60 mil EPDM, which is adhered with yellow bonding adhesive. And then walking a little bit further, white EPDM adhered traditional with bonding adhesive. Other interesting thing here is that they've got these solar tubes which help light the interior. Really good way to get light brought into a building. Stepping across the control joint here, we've got a number of roofs here. These are Suprema. The first one is a 2-ply modified with cold adhesive. Then you can see we're going into a bright area. This is their bright white sheet. And same thing, 2 plies, all in cold adhesive, but they're bright sheets. So you don't have to have a PVC or TPO roof, for instance, to get a hyperly reflective roof. You can do that with the redundancy of a mod bit. They're also showing at the skylights fall protection for worker safety. And then we step across here. This is a hybrid roof. This is a mod bit base sheet with a PVC fleece cap sheet. So you get the best of both worlds. The redundancy of a multiple ply roof, but the reflectivity of a PVC roof. Stepping across, very similar applications here. We're starting out on a C-plast roof, modified base with a PVC cap, adhered PVC fleece. Stepping across here is a 2-ply modified with the reflective white cap sheet. And as we work our way down, standard 2-ply modified with a standard white granule cap sheet. All 3 areas in cold adhesive. And then we're going to step across the next control joint, and these are all adhered. I should say that these are all PVC roofs with different application methods. This white area we're looking at is a self-adhered sheet. The gray area is membrane applied with water-based adhesive. The beige area is with solvent-based adhesive. And as we walk down over here, we've got membrane which is applied with Rhinobond plates, and over here is a textured membrane so that the surface has a little bit more grip and it's not as slippery as you'd normally expect on a PVC roof. So that, in a nutshell, is the showroom here at Benchmark in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Great thing, and should be interesting to see how these roofs behave in the future, and also give building owners an opportunity to see different roofs all in one place. Thanks for visiting.